Hey tech lovers! Meet iPhone 17e, a powerful budget iPhone, but Apple kept the 60Hz display like it's still 2018. Is this phone secretly a genius, or just stuck in the past? Let's break it all down. Let's start with its surprisingly powerful performance. The iPhone 17e runs on Apple's A19 chip, which is basically the same processor used in the standard iPhone 17. That means apps run smoothly, gaming feels fast, and the phone rarely breaks a sweat. This phone is like that quiet kid in class who suddenly solves the hardest math problem. Cheap looking, but secretly a genius. A solid 48-megapixel camera, the phone features a 48-megapixel main camera, producing detailed photos and benefiting from Apple's computational photography. It only has one camera, but it still takes photos good enough to expose your friend's terrible haircut in 4K detail. What about its strong battery life? Battery life can reach about 26 hours of video playback, which is enough for a full day of heavy use. Finally, an iPhone that won't start emotionally collapsing at 15% battery. Is MagSafe back? Unlike the previous E model, the 17e brings back MagSafe, allowing magnetic chargers, wallets, and accessories. When it comes to its price, at around $599, it's the cheapest way to get a modern iPhone with Face ID, USB-C, and Apple Intelligence features. It's the budget iPhone, which in Apple language means only mildly expensive. Yeah! Let's now talk about what could be as negative points on this phone. The biggest criticism is the display still uses 60Hz refresh rate, while many cheaper Android phones already offer 120Hz. Scrolling on this phone feels smooth, until you borrow a friend's 120Hz phone and suddenly realize you've been living in the past. Only one rear camera? There's no ultra-wide or telephoto lens, just one camera. Apple looked at phones with 3 cameras and said, let's do the opposite. What about its average charging speeds? Charging speeds and wireless charging are slower compared with premium models. When it comes to the miss of some new connectivity features, the phone skips things like Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6 found in some newer devices. Your internet will still be fast, but your phone politely refuses to join the future too quickly. Overall, the Apple iPhone 17e is a great entry-level iPhone. Powerful, reliable, and good for everyday users who want Apple's ecosystem without paying flagship prices. But if you want high refresh displays, multiple cameras, and cutting-edge features, you'll notice the compromises. So, if you enjoy this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for weekly content.